Do you know the correct way to apply a dressing to a wound? Ensuring proper wound care is vital for rapid healing. Dressings play a pivotal role protecting the wound from infection. Knowing how to correctly apply a dressing is a crucial first aid skill. Before we dive into the process, gather your materials. You'll need clean dressings, adhesive tape for secure placement, and sharp scissors. Don't forget gloves for hygiene and antiseptic wipes or solution to cleanse the wound. With all materials at hand, you're ready to begin. Now, onto the application itself. First things first, clean the wound with an antiseptic. This is crucial to prevent infection and promote healing. Once the wound is clean, make sure to put on gloves. This ensures the utmost cleanliness during the process and further reduces the risk of infection. Next, comes the main event, applying the dressing over the wound. Carefully place it, making certain it fully covers the wound. The dressing acts as a protective barrier, keeping out bacteria and other harmful substances. Now, secure the dressing with adhesive tape. This keeps the dressing in place, providing continuous protection to the wound. But remember, our job isn't done just yet. Regularly check and change the dressing. This is necessary to maintain a clean environment for the wound to heal. And there you have it, the correct way to apply a dressing to a wound. Remember, proper care can make all the difference in the healing process. For quick reference, let's recap the steps. First, gather your materials, a clean dressing, adhesive strips, and antiseptic. Clean the wound gently, then apply the antiseptic. Put the dressing over the wound, securing it with adhesive strips. Keep it on for a few days or until it becomes dirty or wet. Replace it following the same steps. Remember, proper wound care can speed up healing and prevent complications. Stay safe always.